Okay, the link is shared. Okay, Akash, we cannot see you. Yeah, it looks dark for us too. Do you have any error message or something like that?
Can you at least hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Like if you can, if you want, you can. We can do this way today, and then we can fix it
Okay,
before.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's start with today. I think that the first in my list here is Scott's Power. Do you wanna go first?
Yeah, good day everyone. I finally got around the compute shuffle issue. Like I said last week, I broke it down. I used the Rust implementation by Lighthouse, and I figured that the issue was that the conversion from big endian to little endian, and that fixed it. And I made a PRO. Thomas just dropped a few comments, and I would correct those. Yeah, so I also commented on an issue with operations, and Paul assigned that to me not long ago. So I'll be working on that. Yeah, that's on my end.
Sure. How's the other issue called? The one that you were assigned to, just so that we can add it to the daily notes.
Process withdrawals.
Okay, that's cool. I think that someone else was also, wasn't someone else working on process withdrawals? Um, I'm not sure.
No,
Like for now, we can have it assigned as you to you. I will just double check after the meeting to see if no one else is working on that because it just vaguely rings my bell. Like maybe Paul.
Doesn't
Paul,
seem
I
so, but I'm
didn't.
looking at the
Okay,
ticket.
that's perfect. Thank you, Martin. Okay, the next one is Fernando.
Okay, I added my request about the process register update function. Thomas mega, left some comments for which I already did the changes and pushed the commit. All the test pass, so it is required to review again that part. And that is all. After that I will need another issue to be assigned.
That's great. Yeah, I think that we can talk about this after the meeting, but I think that one potentially interesting issue could be porting SSZ to Elixir. I think that's an interesting piece of work and also very. I mean, we probably need to divide it a little bit in different issues. There's already a proof of concept done by Mega that we can that you can base yourself in. But yeah, like right now we have a lot of overhead, like not computational overhead, but like so for engineering overhead whenever we need to add a new type to SSZ, because we need to add sometimes we need to add an if, and then we need to go to Rust, especially with composite types, and eventually we will need this in Elixir. So it will be nice if we can start tackling it. We will create the issue in a little bit. There is already an issue, but there's not like many separate issues, which is something that we need to do. And in the meantime, until we structure that, we probably send you the SSZ specification so that you can start reading it. Does that sound okay for you?
Yeah, sounds great.
Awesome. I will write that down then. Afterwards is Akash. Hey, how's it going?
Uh, Everyone, I'm still working on the process justification and finalization issue. I felt like I did not remember some details of how the finality gets worked, so in the book. I could have finished the implementation, but as Martin mentioned in our onboarding meeting, there's no point in quickly translating the Python code Elixir without really understanding how it works like that. But I'll try to have a draft PR ready by tomorrow.
Okay, that sounds okay. Do you need any help either understanding some Ethereum concepts related to that, or with splitting the PR in separate parts so that it's like easier to tackle? Do you need any help in any of
Uh,
those?
no, I think I'm fine. Thanks.
Okay, sure. Let me know how that goes afterwards. Okay, Martin is next.
Sure. So on Friday, I got some proof of concept working to be able to request several blocks at the same time to the same peer on a single stream. And yeah, fortunately, I got it working without having to change or fix the snappy implementation. So I got a simple proof of concept with 2 blocks working. So yeah, now I'm working on the code to making it pretty, and also maybe to add some tests as well. But yeah, I'll have a PR today. That's it for me.
Awesome, Martin. That sounds great. That sounds like a way, like a great performance improvement. Tomas, do you want to go next?
Sure. Last Friday I finished most of the integration I made with the integration of the port with the rest of the node, removing the P2P NIF, and I made a CI pass. It seems like now it's not passing, but I'm gonna fix that today. After that, I reviewed some PRs in the repo. Today I'm gonna first review Fernando's PR, and after that I'm gonna fix the integration, and I'll be free to pick some other issue. Put
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I had a couple of things in mind, but now I'm not remembering them well. So maybe after the meeting we can talk about it. But there's plenty of interesting stuff to take on. Yeah. I totally forgot, but I already had something in mind for you because I was sure that you were about to finish what you were doing. Okay, so I think I'm the last one. I finished reviewing PRs last week, and I saw that Mega reviewed all of the spec related ones. So I went back to the test runners fix, and I'm trying to get that finished for today. And that's mostly it for me. I'm also trying to prepare something for a workshop. I might be sending some, not exactly invites, but I will try to coordinate some time for everyone that wants. This will be, of course, optional, but I will try to get like either a weekly or once every 2 weeks workshop going on, so that like everyone in the bootcamp can like get together, study something, for instance, epoch processing or Elixir or whatever. The last time we had a daily, we talked about first going with Ethereum, then go with Elixir. So my idea was to go first with epoch processing, which is what most people here are working on, and then doing a general introduction to gen servers and supervisors next time. Does that sound okay for everyone? Does anyone want like a different topic for Ethereum if we were to have a workshop on that?
Sounds great.
Okay, awesome. Well, that's all for me. Do we have any final questions or comments? Okay, I think that's it. I think we can finish the daily for today. Thank you all for joining, and see you all tomorrow.